In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Lark Drive. By the end, you'll feel confident moving your documents into Lark so they're easy to access and share from one secure place. All you need is the Lark app open on your computer and the files you want to upload saved somewhere you can find them quickly. First, open the Lark app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, think of Lark as your hub for both collaboration and storage. We're heading straight to the place where your files live. Next, go to Drive or Docs. Depending on your layout, you'll see this in the sidebar or along the top navigation. This area shows your folders, recent items, and anything your team has shared with you. It's the same space where you'll be able to see and manage the files you're about to upload. Now, look for the button that says New with a plus sign, or an option labeled Upload. The wording can vary slightly, but both lead to the same action. Clicking this tells Lark you're ready to bring something in from your computer. From the menu that appears, choose Upload File if you're adding a single document, image, or video. If you want to bring in an entire directory at once, choose Upload Folder. Picking the folder option preserves your existing structure, which is helpful if your project is already neatly organized on your computer. A system window will open so you can select what you want to upload. Navigate to the location on your computer where the file or folder lives, click to highlight it, and double-check that you've got the right item. If naming matters, make sure the file name is clear before you proceed, as that's what you'll see in Lark. Click Open. As soon as you do, Lark starts the upload automatically. You'll usually see a progress indicator, and larger files may take a little longer. Keep the app open and stay connected to the internet while it completes. When the upload finishes, the file will appear in your Drive list in the folder you were viewing, ready to use and share with your team. That's all there is to it. Open Lark. Head to Drive or Docs. Click New or Upload. Choose Upload File or Folder. Select your item from your computer and hit Open. Lark takes care of the rest, moving your content into the cloud so it's available whenever and wherever you need it.